Imagine a world where every third bite of your food just vanished. Shocking, right? But that's what we face if our pollinator heroes, the bees, disappear. That's where Robo-bees, the techie saviors, enter the scene.
Robo-bees are small, bee-sized robots that are capable of flying and hovering in the air. These robots mimic the behavior of real bees, including the ability to land on flowers, gather nectar, and even communicate with each other. Small size of the robots would allow them to navigate tight spaces, and the ability to communicate with each other would enable them to cover larger areas more efficiently.
But can these buzzing boats truly replace our tiny marvels and save our plates and our planet? Buckle up as we dive into this buzzing deep. Did you know a $600 billion worth of crops depends on pollination? And guess what? 75% of flowering plants rely on insect pollination, where wheat takes the leading charge. Yes, those delicious berries and tomatoes owe their existence to these miniature warriors. But here's the thing, these mass pesticides is decimating the bees population worldwide. But unfortunately land on our pollinators as well, swooping 40% of our insect species at risk. And remember, only 1% of the insects are pests. This widespread slaughter disrupts a delicate ecosystem, and as Einstein famously warned, if the bees disappear from the surface of the earth, the man would have no longer than 4 years to live. But hold on, there's a tech-driven twist, the Robo-bees, humanity's answer to this billionaire problem. These buzzing board programmed to mimic the bees' dance between flower and pollen, promising to keep our food secure. But hold on, are these replica truly the ultimate solution? Can these buzzing boards replicate the complex interactions and nuanced relation within the ecosystem? What if they malfunction, leak harmful chemicals, or become a tasty snack to our hungry birds? The truth is, the answer is not that simple to replace the nature with technology. Instead, we should focus on solutions that adapt to and work along with nature, promoting bees' health and fostering a healthy ecosystem. Let's remember, bees are just one piece of this vast and interconnected puzzle. So, what are your thoughts? Are these buzzing boards a band-aid or a recipe for further problems? The future of our food and our planet depends on what choices we make. Let's join this conversation, share your thoughts, and let's look for a solution which works with the sustainability. If you're still here, hi, this is Ashimagi, and I create content about conscious fashion and living an organic and sustainable life. For more such content, follow me on Instagram and subscribe to this channel. And I'll see you next time.